You heard that, guys? Nature. That's why everyone are here, and that's why I'm here to deliver nature, culture, adventures, and so much more with the eyes of the drone, terrestrial camera, etc. Guys, I always invite you, if you are new, to visit my channel to check it out, a full pack of content of all of that and so much more. Guys, I'm walking here in this little forest, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm excited because they have chicharra, they have a little bird. Listen, you see, they have birds, they have always the type of birds all over here, you know. This is a lake here located in the city of Americana, SP, Brazil, guys. That's right, Americana. Talking about Americana, I'll invite you all to visit and check this video of two beautiful waterfalls. I'm gonna leave it here in the description right here, and you go on pinch it and go and see if you have time, guys. Do you like the video? Do you like the whole review? Have you been coming here already? Do you know the place already, guys? Just let me know in the comment below. I hope you enjoyed every single detail. Alright, folks, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to stay alert for all the episodes coming ahead here in the Enrique Morris YouTube channel. Alright, folks, don't forget to keep the nature and the environment safe, because this planet is just only one. It's a beautiful home for everyone. All right, folks? Until the next time, Enrique Mori with so much love and energy saying bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Until the next time.